Microsoft Learn, or why do we need to go to Microsoft Learn? Microsoft Learn, actually, it's a free platform and interactive and hands-on on a training platform that help you to to learn more about technical skills, specific the one that we related to Microsoft products and their services, such as Microsoft 365, Power Platform, Microsoft Dynamics, and more. There is a lot of topics that we have it within Microsoft. Also, what they are doing within Microsoft Learn, which is I'm going to show it to you shortly, they are combines a lot of short step-by-step trainings, and they browse it in an attractive way. Also, if they have any courses related to the coding or scripting or the environment, they are putting some labs, some tasks within their trainings. So not only courses, actually, with Microsoft Learn you can get a certificates, you can apply for an exam, and from there you can get certificates from Microsoft based on the courses that you are learning. Also, there is more than 225 learning path, and also there is a lot of different area you can look at it. So let me open now Microsoft Learn and let me show you what kind of things that we can have it. I'm not sure if you had a chance to look at the link that I already have it, but I have it on Meetup, but let me share the link that I added to the Meetup. I'm gonna add it on the chat so you can follow my steps to sign in and so on. Let me take the link from Meetup and add it to the chat. Just a minute. Okay, I'm gonna add it now. So our session actually today, it will not take more than like 30 to 40 minutes. I will try my best to cover as much as I can. So the link already posted and already shared on the chat. So go ahead and just open it. Okay. So Microsoft Learn, as we know, there is a different courses based on your interest, based on your role within the company, based on your position. So it doesn't mean that you need to go with all these courses to get a certificate. So let me explain to you. The first thing that you need to do, you need to open the link that I shared with you, which is or if you are watching my video on YouTube, you just need to go Microsoft Learn, and from there, once you open the link, you will be able to see this page. So from here, you need to sign in to the main page or to the Microsoft Learn. Let me go back to the documents. Here we go. So once you sign in, let me paste the link and let me try to see. Cool. So when you log into the link that I shared with you, you will be able to open the page, even if you don't have a profile, actually, it's fine. But I really suggest for you to log in and to sign in by using your email. Why? Because actually you can collect points, you can achieve a specific level, and also if you are focusing on applying for any exam or any certificates, you need to log in by using your email. Otherwise, you will not be able to take the certificates or schedule for any exam. So let me start with the first part, which is Learn. If you go to the site, you will be able to see here documentation, and you will be able to see Learn. So let's start with the first part, which is Learn. If once we open it, you will be able to see different drop down menu here, which is the first one, a product. So here they make it very easy for us and much easier to go and search for about a specific topic. For example, for me, I'm really focusing on Power Platform, and they divide it in several categories here, like Teams, if you are focusing on Microsoft Teams, if you are focusing on Power Platform, .NET, Microsoft 365. So they already they added here as a drop down menu to help you to reach the main topics that you are looking for. Or you can click on browse all paths, and from there you will be able to see all the courses that are available within Microsoft. Okay, so second thing that it's really cool here, for example, you can search what kind of courses that will help my position. For example, if you are a developer, if you are like a data engineer, data analyst, like a business users, what kind of courses that will help me through my career to develop my skills. For example, if we search about students here, let's try it now and see. we'll be able to see different courses that related to the student, and they divide it by several paths actually. If we look at here, like we have the get inspired to learn a new technology, they already have it here. And if we look at each part here actually, you can see how many hours you can spend to learn it. It doesn't mean that you need to spend 4 hours to learn everything, but they put the estimated hour that while you are reading, because there is a different articles, there is some videos, some pictures, some exercises. So they are just putting the estimated time for each courses and each path. So let me go back here and I will remove, let me go here and select the product Power Platform. I want to show you something here. Okay, so from here, you will be able to see all the courses that related. And if you completed already, you will be able to mark it here as a completed. What if I want to, actually, I'm very interested to learn like this one, the principle of software engineering, but I don't have time to learn it now. You can click on save. And once you save it, you can look at it later on. Let me click on it. There is something wrong with my PC. So anyway, okay, here we go. You can save it to your favorite, or you can create a new collection. For example, I will learn it on October, December, whatever. And this is a really a cool feature, because sometimes you are really interested to learn this path, but you don't have time. So let me, sorry team, there's some issues with my connection. Let me go back. So this is the main feature, that if you are looking for a specific course that you will learn it later on, you can just click on save. Okay, so let me open now one example of any courses or any path that we have it, and I will show you something here. For example, here, let me open this one, the principles of software engineering. Okay, here we go. Once you open it, actually, you will be able to see how many minutes do we have and how many units actually they include within this course. And like, for example, each part they divide it with how many minutes. And once you start, actually we'll see different topics. So let me click on start and let me show you. So when you start, actually, we have here some points. So when you read the documents here, you can click on continue. And when you click on continue, actually, or next, you will be able to collect a point. It doesn't mean that I just need to collect a point as much as I can, or no, actually the main purpose of this path is to help us to learn more and more. And from there, you can see a lot of articles. There is a lot of things that you can go through it. And let me go continue. I'm gonna check if there is any videos. We have it here. Sometimes actually they are including, here we go, they are including some videos, and it's really a cool videos. You can look at it, you can learn. And sometimes here they are mentioning another links. For example, if you would like to learn more about it, you can click on it or go to another path and so on. So you can go by next, or you can select from here what kind of unit that you want to learn. And once you reach the last part of your path, actually you will be able to see something we call it knowledge check. Knowledge check actually will help you to understand or to test your understanding if you already have the main knowledge from the course, or you need to retake it. And don't worry, even if you answer it not correctly, you will be able to retake it. But with these paths actually, or courses, you will not be able to get any certificates. If you want to get the certificates, you need to apply from here, certifications. So all these courses that are available under Learn actually will help you to study for the exam. So if you go to here, certificates, and click overview, you will be able to see different type of exams that are available, and you need to schedule it. Actually, you cannot take an exam like just to start the exam. No, you need to schedule it, and there is some cost for each exam. It depends from one exam to another. For example, if I click on this exam, or what you can do actually, if you want to search more about the courses or certificates, you can click browse certifications or browse courses that will help you to find what kind of certificates. For example, here we have, let me show you, for Power Apps and Dynamics. Okay, let me click on it. Here we go. Here they already mention all the requirements or the required exams that you need to look at it. Sometimes actually the same exam like expired, or the you need to, it's already replaced with another one. You need to read it very carefully before we apply to any exam. And here we go. For example, here they are mentioning if you are, your job role it's developer, so these certificates or exam will help you. Even if you are not a developer and you are interested to take it, it's fine. It doesn't mean that you need to provide them any job role or any position to get it. So just make sure to study for the exam and you're already interested to take it. And the more powerful things here actually with the certification, you can download the skills outline. So once I click here, actually they are mentioning for me what kind of courses or what kind of courses that I need to take it from Microsoft Learn to pass the exam. So here we go. What they are mentioning here with this documents, they are mentioning like what kind of questions or what kind of like, for example, here we have different topics under this Power Apps and Dynamics 365 developer. So for example, here they mention like from 5 to 10, we're gonna receive a questions related to create and validate documents, which is here planning and analysis. And also here we have from 20 to 25. And here we have from 15 to 20. So as you see here, you can build your own plan, study plan, based on the numbers. So for example, I need to put my energy on studying this part because we have the highest score. Plus, I need to put my energy to study which part, which is here, the second one. And for the rest, I need to focus on this one because it's 15 to 20 and 15 to 20. And also then I need to focus on 5 to 10. So you can prepare your study plan based on these documents, the skills outline that we have it, which is something really cool. It's like they are mentioning to you what kind of topics that we will have it within the exam. And actually for each exam, it will be different from other because it depends on the courses, it depends on the topic, it depends on the certificates itself. So for example, here, they mentioned to you like you have different way to study the exam. First, you can go through the online free courses, which is the same one that I showed to you, the online courses that we have it on Microsoft Learn. And you can go through each part from here and prepare yourself to the exam, plus download these documents. Or you can actually apply for the instructor lead that will help you to learn about the course. And there is some, like here, no current courses available for this certification. For other exams, maybe there is we have already a courses for instructor lead, so you just need to check. So if this one it's not available, it means I need to learn the online free courses. So once I pass the exam, actually there is a way to schedule the exam. So let me check if I'm able to show it to you from here. Let me go see detail. No. Okay, anyways, once you finish from your exam, you will be able to go and check your certification. You can go to the certification dashboard, and from there you will be able to see like if you passed the exam, you can download the certificates and a lot of things. Okay, now let me show you something here. We have a learn, we have the certifications, we have something also we call it a few, which is the help and FAQ. Let me open it. From here, if you want to see the question that already have been asked from different people, you can click on general and see what kind of questions that we have it, like what Microsoft Learn, how much does it cost, and a lot of questions related to the Microsoft Learn. Do I need to create a profile? So if you have any question, you can go there, check if it's for general question, a profile, sandbox, support, educators, a lot of a question. And from there, you can read about it. And if you need any support or anything, also you can submit your question, your support, and so on. So let me go another one and show you something, which is here, documentation. Let me go to the documentation. and show you something here. So here with the documentation, if you are interested to learn more about different topics, for example, I'm looking for Microsoft 365. Let me open it. Like all the scenarios, all the solutions, all the topics, all the setup, everything related to the topic. So for example, here, like how to set up the instruction, how to remote learning with Microsoft Teams. So based on your topic, you will be able to see all the useful links that will help you during learning process. So within documentation, there is a lot of things that you can go through it. For example, let me try to click on this one, get started and remote learning. Here we go. This one actually, it's not a Microsoft Learn, it's the documentation. It means I can, for example, if I have something related to my project and I'm using Power Apps. So how can I go there? You remember when I shared with you a lot of links like related to formulas on Power Apps, Power BI? Actually, all these documents, it's from Microsoft and under documentation. So from there, you can read it, you can share it actually, and you can download it as PDF. So if you are interested to have it in your tablet, in your PC, you just need to click on download as PDF and save it. And you can look at it at any time. Okay, so now let me go to the Learn, and I would like to show you something related to profile. I really suggest for you to start look at the Microsoft site, especially Microsoft Learn. It will help you during your learning journey. So now let me talk about these points and level. Actually, let me open my profile and show you. As I mentioned, whenever you are mentioning or whenever you are marking any course as a completed, you will be able to collect a points. And these points are actually based from one course to another. So once you click on your profile, actually you will be able, even before you're clicking on profile, you will be able to see on the top of the page like which level you are, like 15, 16, 19. It depends. It depends on the point that you are collecting. And whenever we are having new courses, this number here actually it will be increased because they are Microsoft, they are adding new courses. I'm not sure how many level do we have because every time they are adding new courses. So I cannot mention anything. And if you look at my profile here, there is something it's mentioned here, Microsoft MVP, because I'm MVP and this is the first time actually I noticed. So something really cool. And from your profile, you can see if how many following, how many followers. Following and followers, it means within the Microsoft Learn and Microsoft site, and how many you collect trophies and all this stuff. So if you want to see, for example, let me go to the activity. Just a minute. So you can see the activities, the challenges. So actually, let me highlight something related for the challenges. For each Microsoft event, actually, they are like offering a new challenge or different challenges during the event, which is the online event, and you can participate. What's the idea behind the events? Actually, it's a courses. You just need to go to the through the site Microsoft Learn, just like enroll for the challenge and go through specific documents they or specific courses they have it, learn more about it. It's a self-learning. You don't need to do anything. And from there, you will be able to collect the points. You will be able, if you, they give you like 1 month to finish all these courses, maybe 80 challenges or more. They will give you like 1 month. And once you finish it before or during this month, you will be able to get maybe a free certificate, to apply for a free certificate without any cost, to get like a message from them like congratulations, you already passed. And sometimes they are providing awards, so it depends on what kind of awards they're gonna provide. But it's really cool things because every time when they have any event, they are adding a new challenge or a cloud skills challenge, and you will be able to see your name. If you finish it, you will be able to see your name within the leadership board or the learning board they have it. So it's really cool things. Okay. So we have a challenges, and from there I can check all my past challenges. So I participate on more than I cannot remember, but most of challenges actually I participate. It's a courses. Let me try to open one and see if I'm able to see what they are mentioning. I hope. Okay. For example, here we go. You will be able to collect a points, and it's a courses, and here you can see how many participants do we have, and their name, their score, and it's really a cool thing. But now you cannot retake it because it's already like it's already like 19 May, and you cannot retake it. But you can take the course, for example. But let me go back to the learn, just a minute. And for example, if I'm really interested to share any specific path or any specific course with anyone, I can share it easily. Actually, you can share the link, or you can, for example, let me open this one, start. As I mentioned, you can save it, you can share the link, and once you share it as a link, it will not, they will not be able to see your profile for sure. They will, the same way that when I share the link with you, you are not able to see my profile. You are able to see the course without going to any profile. You just need to create your own profile. So here we go. For example, here, if you have any question not related to only to the Microsoft Learn, maybe something related to C++ or any other question. So you can go there and just look at any tools that you are or the supported products they have it, and look at it, and from there you can see what kind of questions they have. Okay, let me just remember what kind of things that I forget to mention. I'm trying my best to mention everything that related to Microsoft Learn and Microsoft documentation. As I mentioned here, actually, you will be able to see how many courses you have and how many, like your recent activity. For example, here, I need to complete this course and this one because I just open it with you, and you can see the progress actually. And for example, the recent favorite, the one that I added to my favorite, I can remove it or I can share it with others to be part of it and they start learning. You can see the certification by clicking on browse all certifications, also the achievements. Let me click on it. Whenever you are finished any course, you will be able to see this page with all the topic with the name of the batch that you collected from the courses. It's something really cool. You can print it out. You can do whatever you want. The collections, it means the one, for example, it's up to you. For example, here I have it as a favorites. Maybe you want to have your collections based on the month. Like this month, I'm gonna learn about Power Apps and build your collection and add whatever we have on Microsoft Learn courses to be under this collection. So it will be really much easier for you to go every month and learn whatever you added to your collections. So this is what I have for today, but let me go back and check if I missed anything to make sure that I covered the most important things. Just a minute. Okay, last one. For example, if I want to filter my any product that we have it, for example here, Microsoft Power Platform, and you can filter what kind of languages that we have. For example, we have PowerShell, we have C#. So they make it much easier for you to filter by product and the languages. For example, here, if you are interested to learn more about like SQL, you can filter by SQL and see what kind of courses that we have it related to SQL. So by clicking on code samples actually will help you. And once you open it, you will be able to see like samples. You will be able to see a documents, a code based on your filter. So this is what I have for today. I hope that you are interested to learn more about Microsoft and go through the Microsoft Learn, start to look at the courses, try by yourself. Actually, by the way, all the courses related to Power Apps, Power BI, Data Versus, all these courses that I have it on Meetup, it's based on the documentation and based on the path that we have it within Microsoft Learn. So I make sure that my first references actually it's Microsoft Learn because it's really useful link. And this link actually I started my journey by learning Power Platform from Microsoft Learn. So if you are interested to learn anything, not only Power Platform, it's really a useful link, will help you even during your career journey. So thank you so much. And if you have any question, you can reach me out at any time, or if you have any question now, just let me know. Thank you so much, team.